Trailer safety is an international problem. So Euro NCAP is proud to be working with its members to try and solve this problem. So we're here at a test track in the United Kingdom with a number of state-of-the-art vehicles with the latest ADAS equipment to see how they measure up against a number of different trailers in daylight conditions and at night. So modern ADAS systems on cars are designed to see regular objects like trucks pulling box trailers. But not all trailers are the same. This skeletal trailer without a container on looks very different to an ADAS system. So Euro NCAP are going to investigate that as well. Roadworks are just a fact of life, but it's vitally important that we're protecting our road workers. And so the authorities use vehicles like this, an impact protection vehicle or IPV. But you can see it's a very unusual form. So the question is, will ADAS systems see this and brake appropriately should they need to? Well, our Euro NCAP investigations will find out. Improving trailer safety could save hundreds of lives across Europe every year. And trailer conspicuity is really important to ensure that ADAS systems can see the backs of different trailers. But crash protection is also very important. For that, we need to do a crash test. So we've come here to Hariba Myra in the UK to run this crash test. So the car we're using is this. It's a state-of-the-art electric vehicle. It weighs about 1.8 tons, and it's also a 5-star performer. In fact, it's got some of the best safety ratings that we've seen. So the trailer we're using is a very common 3-axle curtain-sider trailer. It's also equipped with the latest Regulation 5803 rear underrun protection. And this bit is the bit that we want to see how well it performs. So this is our crash configuration, and it represents a very, very common crash on European roads. We're running the car at 56 kilometers per hour or 35 miles an hour, and we're running in representing the driver maybe swerving to avoid a stationary trailer. And so we're hitting just 30% of the vehicle and the underrun protection. So we've run the crash test. 56 kilometers per hour or 35 miles an hour, 30% offset, using a brand new trailer and a 5-star rated car. And you can see the results are dramatic. Catastrophic injuries for the occupants of the vehicle. The rear underrun protection has done nothing to protect the occupants at this relatively benign speed. So we must have improvements to rear underrun protection. So what do we do? Well, the Americans think they have a solution.